Hi, I'm Carl Taylor. I'm a professional studio photographer, but I've been learning to fly a DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone. In video number 1, I learnt the flight basics of maneuvering the aircraft around and getting used to it. But in this video, I look at some of the more specialized features such as QuickShots, where you can actually track and lock on to your subjects. I hope you enjoy the video. Right, Ben, we're here, another early morning sunrise. It's my second flight. I think the first flight went pretty well.
Yeah.
The results look good.
Yeah.
What I want to do today, or what I want you to help me with, is looking at some of these quick shot modes, they're called, where you can basically lock onto a target and then it says it'll automatically fly around the target, it'll go back from the target, or spiral up. There's all these different...
It's really good, yeah. You can get some, pretty good cinematic shots with those, and it's not like you've got to, move the sticks around. You can literally just put it in, fly around, great shot.
That's what we need. That's what we need.
Let's do it.
Right, now, I've got a filter on the lens. I bought these little custom filters. They're ND grad filters, because you know how in my landscape shots I like to darken the sky, and we've obviously got the sun coming up, so the sky will be a lot brighter there on above the horizon than the land. So I thought I'd give that a go as well. Cool. Okay, let's head over to this yellow rock marker. So we're almost over it. What's the procedure then?
We go into our smart controls.
Where is QuickShots here? These are the ones I wanted to look at. Okay. And then we've got, I'm going to do this helix one, for example. Okay. Helix. Okay. But then what do we say we want to lock it on that, do we?
Yeah, so drag your finger over it and it'll make a green square. See? And then it's locked it.
Okay, and then I say go. Now this is going to automatically film
around it.
And it is doing it, look.
Yeah.
So it's locked onto that target.
So you're not doing anything right now?
I'm not doing anything, but I can. Look, you see the rocks under the water there, beautiful. It's getting faster and faster with its helix going up. Oh, see, it's going up.
Yeah, like a boomerang.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So cinematic.
You're
just holding the controller.
I'm just holding it, I'm not doing anything. That's amazing.
That's crazy.
That is just beautiful. That just did a perfect spiral there. Now it's finished. Right, okay, let's stop that. Right, let's do another one. This time we'll choose boomerang.
Yeah, go for the boomerang.
Boomerang, okay.
So you just
slide my finger on the subject there and say go. Okay, so now it's doing something.
So you don't have to press record either. As soon as the move starts, it starts recording itself. It starts recording. Look at that, you can see the tide ripping around that rock marker. That's so smooth, isn't it? Yeah, so cinematic.
It's just beautiful. Now I wonder if you can actually go in and adjust the exposure when it's doing it.
I'm sure you can.
Yes, looks like you can. What's that? Which is probably not a good idea.
No,
you'll mess up the footage. But look at that. That's a really nice. Oh, and it's coming back into it as well.
Yeah, it's a boomerang.
So yeah, the boomerang. The sequence is coming back down to it as well. Right. While we're here, let's just try another one. So I'm going to say stop.
X on the left.
X on there. That stops it there.
Yeah. So then that finishes the recording as well.
So we press quick shot modes again.
You can go here as well. Look, and then they come up at the bottom. So you don't have to. Yeah.
Right. So we got asteroid, rocket. Let's do rocket. Right. So this is rocket now, and I think it's going up at the same time as looking sort of directly down.
Oh, so it does the pan of the actual camera as well.
Yeah. So now we're getting a vertical view.
These are so cool, these modes. So like with the quick shots, it was so easy, you literally press go and then it did the motion, it did the record for you.
Yeah.
There is also point of interest mode, so if you press that and then go,
then that one,
then it's like that, but you've got more control, so you can see how long the movement is, you can change the speed.
But I have to lock the target though.
Yeah.
So what do I do? Press my finger on the target.
Drag over and make a green square.
Like that.
And then
and then say go.
And then it will start doing the spin.
What? And then so it's doing the spin.
Yeah.
But I can control it as well.
So you can change the height now, so you can get some really cool manual cinematic shots.
Oh, okay. So it'll still do the spin for me.
Yep.
But I can be adjusting the height. Okay. What about the speed of it though?
Yeah. If you just press speed, You know, you can drag it like that.
Because it was going a little bit slow for my liking, so we can just increase it a little bit.
And then it will pick up the speed. Look at that.
There, right, now it's picked up the speed, lovely. It's a little bit low, let's get it up in the air.
See, look, even that, so you see, as you know, as it's going around and you're changing the height.
And now we're going to be looking towards the sunrise.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You can change the...
Let it roll a minute, that's a nice shot.
Sorry.
Oh, you've ruined my shot.
I was showing that you can change the... but look, you can, and then just change it back again. So if you want to get the shot
so
twice...
you can just keep going backwards and forwards. Right, okay. That is so good.
Go really high, and then roll the camera down as you do it. Yeah, and reverse it.
It's kind of looks like it's rolling the camera down for me.
It's doing the camera as well.
It is. It's rolling it down. So we have just done our own spiral almost, like one of the QuickShot modes.
Yeah, exactly. Just a bit more control.
Right, look, there's a boat there.
Yeah, we can track that. Press go. So you're not pressing anything.
I'm not pressing anything now. It's following it on its own.
You can go up and down. You can move side to side, back and forth.
Ah, look at that. That's what this is all about. Oh! I think I might have almost gone into a tree.
Well, the obstacle avoidance.
The obstacle avoidance did set in.
So you can't hit it.
Right, that was a good session, Ben. Thank you very much. Let's go and have some breakfast.